In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Riverside County Library System's online catalog to search for an item by keyword and to narrow down search results by using filters. Searching by keyword is useful for browsing by interests when you do not have a title or author in mind. Filters help us limit our results by different categories. To access the library's catalog, start by visiting the library's website at www.rivlib.net. In this scenario, we are looking for a newer book for an 11-year-old who is looking for a baking recipe. We'll start searching the online catalog by typing in baking and selecting the keyword button. Notice that there are over 900 results. That's too many to sort through, so we are going to use the filters in the left column to narrow down our results. There are several filter options for narrowing your search, but we're only going to use a few today. We're going to start by limiting our search by type of material and select book. Notice that as I begin to select different filters, the search results list adjusts. Select baking under the subjects, and then since we want something newer, we're going to select the year 2019 for the publication date. And also because the intended book user is 11 years old, we're going to select pre-adolescent under the target audience. Now, notice that our search result list has 11 results. That's much more manageable. From here, you can select an item to explore. You can check availability of the item, read a full description of the item, or place a request. Please note, to place a request, you must have a Riverside County Library System library card. Don't have a library card? Visit our website to apply for an e-card. If you have additional questions or need further help, visit the Riverside County Library System's website. There, you can use our free Ask a Librarian email service to submit your questions or chat with a support agent in real time using our live chat feature. You can also call your local branch during operating hours to speak with a staff member.